Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the brake light bulb slash turn signal bulb in the back of your Jeep Wrangler. This is pretty easy to do. The only thing you need is a Phillips screwdriver. Before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and subscribe to all of our notifications. That way you'll get a heads up when we upload a new video. Okay, so all you need is a Phillips screwdriver, and there's going to be 4 Phillips screws, 1 in each corner. So you're going to zip these out. Just put them on the bumper or something, make sure you don't lose them. Yeah, these have been in here for a while, you can tell. They're kind of giving me a little bit of a hard time, but they're not too bad. And then there's one more. All right. So to replace the brake light turn signal bulb, it's on the top right here. So you got to twist it, pull it out, and then the bulb is right here. It just pulls right out of the socket housing. So this bulb is a 3157. It says LL on it. So you can find that at any parts store. Now put it back into place. It should fit nice and flush like that. I wanted to show you one more thing before we do that. If there's a piece here, if your taillight doesn't come with this piece, you can take it off your old one. It kind of makes up the difference on this curve. It literally comes right out. And then it is side specific. It'll say RH or right hand on it. Make sure that's on there. Line everything up. And there are 2 screws are going to be longer. This screw is longer. The 2 long screws want to go on the outer edge because it has to travel farther to get into the body of the truck to fasten it. So there's one long screw. Here's the other long screw. So get these caught. Now I'm just gonna get these sunken in. I'm not gonna really tighten them all that much yet, so I get the other 2 caught. So here's one of the smaller ones. Right, that one's snug. Don't crank down on these a ton because you could crack the lens right here. And take your last screw. That in. Then the other 2 started with on the outer edge. Make sure those are tight. Don't, like I said, don't crank down on them a ton. Make sure that they're secure. And there you go, that's it. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy. Hope you guys liked the video. If you have a question, put a comment on the video and I'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching, guys.